Hi, I'm a mom of a child with autism, and I'm also an employee, a business owner, and a full-time hustler. Sounds like a lot, no? Kasi totoo. Pero let me tell you this, it's not impossible. It's just real life. Laging ang tanong sa akin, how do you do it? Alam mo kung anong sagot ko? I don't always know how, but I do it in any way, every single day, because I have no choice but to rise. Being a mom is already hard, pero kapag may anak kang may special needs, ibang level yan. Hindi lang ikaw ang gumigising sa gabi, pati puso mo gising palagi. May meltdowns, therapy schedules, endless research, and emotional breakdowns na madalas tahimik lang kasi sino pa ba ang iintindi, pero alam mo, bawat ngiti niya, bawat progress kahit isang word lang o isang gestures, that makes every tear, every sacrifice worth it. Hindi siya pabigat, she is my greatest teacher. She taught me patience, strength, and unconditional love. At dahil sa kanya, mas lumalaban ako. Bilang empleyado, kailangan kong maging present, alert, productive. Pero minsan, habang nasa meeting ako, iniisip ko, kumain na kaya anak ko? Okay kaya siya ngayon? Pero wala akong choice kundi mag-focus kasi kailangan ng sweldo, kailangan ng benefits, and so I show up. Even if my mind and my heart are somewhere else, I wear smile. Kahit pagod na, because I know I'm not working just for myself. I'm working for her future. Pagkatapos ng trabaho, hindi pa tapos ang araw ko kasi may business pa akong kailangang asikasuhin. Customer inquiries, inventory, marketing, content creation, at minsan may extra hustle pa. Affiliate marketing, small gigs, pagbebenta, kung anong pwedeng pagkakitaan. Bakit? Kasi I want freedom. Not just financial freedom, but time freedom. Gusto kong dumating sa point na hindi ko na kailangang mamili. Magtatrabaho ba ako o mag-aalaga ng anak ko? I want both. So habang kaya pa ng katawan ko, lalaban ako. Ang tanong, napapagod ba ako? Araw-araw? Pero sumusuko ba ako? Hindi. Kasi alam ko, bawat pawis, luha, puyat, at pagod, may kapalit. And I believe God sees my grind. Hindi man instant ang reward, pero darating din yung panahon na masasabi kong, it was all worth it. I'm not just building a life, I'm building a legacy. Kaya sa mga kagaya kong nanay na tahimik lang pero todo ang sakripisyo na hindi umaayaw kahit hirap na, this is for you. You are seen, you are powerful, you are doing something amazing. Hindi man palagi napapansin ng mundo ang ginagawa mo, pero ramdam ng anak mo ang pagmamahal mo. At darating din ang araw na masasabi mong lahat ng ginawa mo nagbunga. So, huwag kang bibitaw, mami. Lumaban ka, hindi lang para sa sarili mo, kundi para sa taong pinaka-importante sa buhay mo. If you're a mom juggling life like me, comment, lumalaban ako, at kung may kakilala kang nanay na kailangang marinig to, tag her. Follow me for more real talk, motherhood, hustle, healing, and hope. Let's build a community where moms like us can stay. Hindi ako nag-iisa. Follow me for more. Yun lang, salamat.